This is a real short video for Porsche Cayenne owners that have a water leak inside the cab. Typically what you'll see is just a floor pan full of water. Already pulled the carpet out on this one. And every time it rains or you go through a car wash. So telltale sign will be it dripping somewhere onto the dash, and you'll have a watermark up in this area right here where this pull handle is and all on this trim right here. So there are sometimes the sunroof vents or drain tubes will clog up, and that'll be a little bit differently because you'll have leaks from around the sunroof. But the leak that we're dealing with right here is a common one, especially if you have a roof rack on top, and so you're putting some extra stress on your rails. So where it's actually leaking from are these bolt holes all the way down, and I've run into this on different vehicles over the years, not just Porsche. But so what you want to do is, I have a roof rack, so I needed to move this thing out of the way a bit, but then you're going to take a T25 Torx and you're going to remove all 5 of these mounting screws. If you have rails or something, you may need to move them around so you can expose them. They're going to be countersunk in there, and like I said, they're going to be T25. So this is the one that's leaking a lot on mine. Every time it rains, it just fills the cab. And so you can take pretty much anything. I'm just going to use black RTV gasket maker and clean this area really well. Go ahead and put some RTV around here. Clean the bottom end of this where there's a little gasket, and then clean your hardware. And you want to put RTV all in the threads of your hardware. So you put a big old glob down inside there if you want to and suck it back down. You can use clear RTV, you know, stuff that's made for homes and stuff like that. It doesn't matter. But yep, that's going to be your roof leak on a bunch of SUVs, but specifically the Porsche Cayenne if it's not coming from the sunroof. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.